Welcome to the Target and Inspector module. The Target module is used to define the scope of our testing. This includes specifying the target URL, the ports you want to scan, and the protocols you want to use. You can also use the Target module to define custom headers and cookies that will be sent with all requests. Let's talk about Inspector module. The Inspector module is used to view the response headers and the body of a web request. This can be useful for identifying vulnerabilities such as accesses SQL injection and cross-site request forgery. The Inspector module allows you to modify the request header and body before sending it to the target server. Now if we talk about how to use the Target and Inspector module, let's do a simple hands-on. First of all, do your Burp Suite Community Edition. Click on Proxy, click on Intercept is on. So I have already enabled the Burp Suite proxy on our Firefox browser. Now just refresh this page. If I refresh this page, the request will be sent to the Burp Suite. So let's just click on Forward and now click on Target. So here you can see we have the site which we were browsing. So just click on this arrow so you can see all the files that are included in this website. Now one very interesting thing about the Target module is the sitemap. This sitemap automatically crawls the website and show you all the pages, all the resources that are included. This website here, so you can see if I just browse it here to the all snippets, suppose, and I forward these requests, so our Target module will be and now included with these snippets. Again, if I move to the sign up page and I forward this request to the sign up, and again if I check my target. So you can see we have our login page, we have our saved profile, new account, GDL, etc. So this automatically crawls your website. The Target module also gives us an option to add the target to the scope. So if I click on Add to Scope, you can see it is asking us you have added an item to the target scope. Do you want Burp Proxy to stop sending out of scope item to the history or other verb tools? So if you click on Yes, then your Burp Suite will only crawl this website and will only populate the history of this website that you have just added into your scope. Let's talk about the Inspector module. If I click on the proxy and I click on the interceptor is on, and once again let's resend our request. You can see here we have the Inspector module. Now this Inspector module is very interesting. We have already done one hands-on before and our repeater module. So you can see here I can change this new and is other true to something else. Suppose if I just write here false. I can change this, but I can also change these from Inspector module as well. My selected text is automatically shown in the Inspector module, so I can easily change the different parameters. So if I click on Request Attribute, I can change Get Method to suppose Post Method, and you will be seeing the request. The change is already shown here. Same as the case, let's change it back to Get. So you can see we have successfully changed our Get method. So the Inspector modules gave us a very easy way to change different parameters in our request. In concluding of both of these modules, the Target and Inspector, we can say that these are the two of the most important modules in Burp Suite.